Hey, I hope everyone's doing great today. If you've been looking for a portable soldering station, this 937DI is pretty impressive. I'm going to show you how it works and show you what it comes with. This is a portable soldering station. This particular unit is powered by the Dewalt 20 volt series of batteries, but this particular one's powered by the 20 volt Dewalt. It's 40 watt, and it will go to a temperature of 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, or that's 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. And the way this works, you've got your on-off button right here. You've got a cleaning station right there to clean the tip. This one is a knob controlled, which I prefer. I prefer a rotary knob to adjust my temperature. You can power this with an AC wall adapter with a barrel connector that puts out 18 to 20 volts, 3.5 amps, with a center post that's positive and the outer barrel negative. But the way this one works is we're going to take our 20 volt DeWalt, slide it on. As soon as it comes on, you'll notice that it goes right to the temperature that you last had it set. I typically solder most of my stuff at about 750 degrees, and so right now it's ramping up to 750 degrees. That's reading the temp of the unit, and you can see it's ramping up pretty quick. It does come with solder. It does come with a variety of tips. You can see this little one was my initial. That's what came in the unit, and that's whenever I first turned it on. You can see it's discolored from the heat, and different size soldering tips. So let me get some solder. We're going to solder these wires just to show you how it works. All right, so we're up to temp. Beautiful. Very nice little unit, and you can see that you can dial it up all the way to 896 degrees. The readout is nice and clear and bright. It is calibratable, so if you need accurate temperature control, you can calibrate the tip to make sure that it's within a certain perimeter. And if you push and hold this knob, it'll go from Fahrenheit. You can set it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I prefer Fahrenheit, so that's what I'm going to go with. And I think I mentioned this, but whenever you turn the unit off and then you turn it back on, it does go back to whatever the setting was that you had it set at. So, you know, I typically solder my stuff at about 750. If I turn it off, turn it back on, 750 is the target that it's going to shoot for. Anyway, so far I've been very impressed with this. It's nice to know that I've now got a portable soldering unit that I can just take out in the driveway, out remotely, and I don't have to worry about dragging out an extension cord or anything else. 20 volt DeWalt battery is all I need to go anywhere I need to solder now. And just to show you, you know, we've had this on for at least 5 minutes or so. Been doing some soldering with it, and it's still showing 3 bars. So it doesn't seem to suck the juice out of the battery too quickly. So very nice setup. Hopefully you saw how good of a job it did on soldering these wires. Basically just tinned the wires, but you know, hopefully it was enough to get the point across. Anyway, 937DI. You guys take care.